So students of class 8th, now we will study chapter algebraic expression. Before this chapter, there was another chapter comparing quantities that is not now in your syllabus. So you have to study this algebraic expression. So students, so far you have studied that known numbers like 1, 2, 3, minus 10, 1 upon 2. Such type of numbers are known as known numbers. And students, there are some unknown numbers like the age of Ram is. Suppose the age of Ram that is taken as, let the age of Ram is A or B or C, X, Y, Z, L, M, N. So these unknown numbers are taken as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These numbers. So these are unknown numbers. They are also called variables. So unknown numbers are also known as variables. And these known numbers are also called constants. So students, combination of these variables and constants by adding them or subtracting them, multiplying them, or by dividing, we find algebraic expressions. So algebraic expression. So what are algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions are nothing but the combination of variables and constants. Like multiplying 3 and x, we get 3x. So 3x is an algebraic expression, or 2y, it is also an algebraic expression, or combination of them by adding them, 3x plus 2y, this is also an algebraic expression. 5x minus 3a, because here we have unknown numbers x, y, a, and combination of two algebraic expressions or combination of two terms, we find algebraic expressions. This algebraic expression you can see 3x, this one is 2y, so only one term. This algebraic expression has one term. This algebraic expression has two terms, 3x and 2y. They are added together. Here we have one algebraic expression, but it has two terms. So algebraic expressions are combination of variables and constants. Now terms comes that coefficients of terms, coefficient of 3xyz. If we have an algebraic expression 3xyz, so coefficient of 3xyz is taken as its numerical coefficient. So variable xyz, these three are variables. So what is the number multiplied with these variables? 3. So 3 is coefficient of this algebraic expression. Similarly students, coefficient of minus 1 upon 2 ab is minus 1 upon 2, because minus 1 upon 2 is multiplied with AB. Similarly students, we can find coefficients in any term, minus x square y square. Now this time we have variables x square y square. So what is multiplied with x square and y square? You cannot see any number here, so it is always taken as 1, but negative sign also negative 1. So coefficient of minus x square y square is minus 1. Coefficient of minus 1 upon 2 ab is minus 1 upon 2. Coefficient of 3xyz is 3. Now comes terms. What are the terms? So students, if we have an algebraic expression as x plus y plus z, so here you clearly can see plus or minus sign always separates the terms. X first term, second term, and this one is third term. So number of terms here are 3. So this algebraic expression has 3 terms. Similarly students, we can write another 3xyz minus 9y minus 8abc. You can see again students, this algebraic expression minus xy square. This algebraic expression is done 3xy. First term, this negative sign separates the term. Negative and positive sign always separates the term. If There are, you can see here, three negative signs are in the middle, so number of terms are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this algebraic expression has 4 terms. 9xyz. This algebraic expression, you can see student, there is no positive sign, no negative sign. After this term there is no any other term, so this algebraic expression has only one term. Similarly students, some algebraic expression has two terms like 3xyz minus 9y. And this algebraic expression has two terms. Negative sign actually separates the terms. So students, an algebraic expression having one term, it is called monomial. Mono means one. So an algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial. An algebraic expression having two terms, it is called binomial. An algebraic expression having three terms called trinomial. An algebraic expression having four terms, it is called quadrinomial. Quadrinomial. Quadri means 4, tri means 3, bi means 2. So students, you have to keep all these things in your mind. Now like terms and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Students, if we have 3xy, 5xy minus 1 upon 2xy. So students, here you can see these three terms, these three monomials, three algebraic expression having only one terms, one term, one term, one term. These are three separate algebraic expression, and every expression have the same variables. If many terms have or algebraic expression having same variables, then they are called like terms. So first, second and third, xy is here, xy is here, whatever be the numerical coefficient, it doesn't matter. But these three algebraic expressions are like algebraic expression, or you can say like terms. These three terms are like terms. 3x minus 4x minus 9x, these three are also like terms because every term has x, same variable. Many terms having same variables are called like term. These are like terms or like algebraic expressions. Similarly students, if two or more algebraic expressions have not the same variables, then they are called unlike terms. So these three algebraic expression, these three monomials have different variables. Xy, here it is x square y, here x y z. Clear? So these are unlike terms. So you have to keep in mind students, only like terms can be added, unlike terms are never added. We can add only like terms. Like you did the fractions, if there are same denominators, then we can directly add their numerators to find the solution. Similarly students, in algebraic expression, if two or more algebraic expression or two or more terms have the same terms or like terms, if they have the same variables, then we can add them, otherwise they cannot be added. So students, you have to do the first question from your book also, and you have to note down everything of this video class in your fair notebook. Thank you.